Hi guys, welcome to another short video about something which I have been just thinking about. I mean, it's actually a total off-topic thing for my channel. Usually I'm doing some tech reviews, but I'm also trying to cover everything which could be important for other people. And so I have been looking at a web page where I have found a lot of images of people, and I was thinking, okay, this is some interesting story how you could make images of you available almost for eternity. I mean, it won't be forever, but there are two things about this thing. Yeah, it's not very easy for me to talk about these things, but I mean, basically, it's of course, I mean, we have some limited lifespan. People get 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 years, maybe some a little bit older, but at some point there will be only pictures, images, videos of you available and some things you did. I mean, if you are an architect, maybe people will see your buildings in 100 years or so. That could be possible, but apart from that, usually there are just images and images get lost. And so how to prevent that everything, like all the pictures of you, are gone? And I've been thinking about that when I was on this page. I mean, that's pixabay.com. You can do search here for images, all kind of images, and they are license free, so everybody can take these pictures here and do what they want. They can make ads of it, they can make YouTube videos about that, they can make I mean, almost anything with these images. And if you think that's just a basic website, no, it's not. I mean, these images here are used very widely. I mean, I know a lot of these images. I mean, I'm also taking every now and then some images from here, especially for the cover images of my videos. And I've been seeing a lot of channels, like, I mean, large channels with millions of subscribers using also such pictures here. And so, yeah, if you're worried about that nobody will be able to see your face anymore in 100 or 200 years, maybe that's an opportunity. Just make a really nice image of you, your family, maybe with your partner, and maybe in a special setting like at the beach or during a special season or so, and make an account and put it here. And I'm almost sure that people will pick these things up and use this in any kind of other things, like YouTube videos and so. And I'm pretty sure, I mean, this thing is a huge treasure here. It won't be replaced anytime soon. And you don't have to be young and beautiful. There are people of all colors, all ages, all races, all religions, all everything. There are no exceptions here. Everybody here, I think, is very welcome. Of course, the quality has to be good. Maybe you can hire a professional to do a couple of shots of you, but I think there's a good chance that people will really pick up your images and share and keep this as a memory for a lifetime. I mean, not only lifetime, but even much longer. Of course, there won't be any name or date of birth or location associated with that, but maybe that's enough for you. Why not? So I think this page, or like a successor of this page, which will use same pictures, it will be around for many years, if not decades. And the product of these things, like videos in YouTube or other platforms, they will be available for decades, if not hundreds of years. I don't know how this is. I mean, in 100 years, I don't know if the YouTube videos which we produce these days will be still available, but I wouldn't be surprised if this would be possible. And so I think that's almost the easiest thing and the most sustainable thing if you want to leave some images of you for the next generations. Maybe that's something for you to think about. Of course, it has also a little bit of sad aspects, and I'm not used to talk about these things, but I wanted to cover this because it just popped into my mind, and I realized that this is something really unique, and it could be a very unique opportunity for everybody. And so I wanted to share this with you. Maybe there's a better solution for that. I don't know. If you have something, just let us know down in the feedback area. Apart from that, I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.